Hey guys, Nicole Sauce here with another edition of Quarantined in the Holler. Okay, you may be wondering why I'm doing this. It's because my sister asked me if I was living like life as normal since we've just decided to stay here. And the answer is pretty much, but not entirely. Here's the deal. This is the last of the bacon. It's the last of the bacon. So we are starting to run out of things. And one of the things that I found out I don't stock up on enough is feminine supplies because I keep expecting to go through menopause and still haven't. So that's kind of an issue now. I'm learning how to sew some reusables because you can't get them. And I'm not going to go into a store and start going to a store every day just to figure that out. So mail order is not possible. Someday in 6 months from now, my order that I put in a while ago will come through. But until then, there is still the issue to deal with. Other than that, it's pretty much business as usual. We are eating all of our leftovers. And check this out. I made a turkey. And then I went into my freezer and got all these bones. And I'm making, so this is homemade bone broth. It's gone for 48 hours. Along with some vegetable stocks and stuff. Later today, I'm going to can this up. But we have so much broth. I think one of the great things about the homesteading lifestyle is you learn how to get value from your land and from what's around you, but you also learn how to use every part of the animal. And so here, what we've always done is kind of put vegetable scraps and bones into the freezer. Then when I have a bunch of them, I just do this whole roasting oven full for 48 hours. Then I can it up, and then we use that in soups, or if somebody has a sore throat or something, we can have a cup of broth. It's actually kind of nice. And if you're kind of, stuck at home and not quite sure what to do with your time and you've baked a chicken, put that in a Ziploc baggie. When you get two chickens worth of bones, put it in your stock pot on the stove and simmer that, or put it in your crock pot for 48 hours. You don't, if I do it on the stove, I simmer it for about 45 minutes. Anyway, we're going to have a bacon shortage. And we are down to only the leafy greens that we can grow, which a lot of them are over here. We've got lettuce going inside and little baby lettuce and seed starts for the outside garden. So that's happening, and we're doing pretty well from a vegetable standpoint. So if this had happened about 2 months ago, we wouldn't have had as many fresh veggies. Anyway, make it a great week and enjoy your time of solitary reflection.